Look at this. Yeah.
Max is all. Yeah. Max is like, oh my god, it's raining. Guppy's like, hi guys, take shelter. Hannah's like, it's a cool bro, and I'm like, yeah. Hello.
It's raining.
Frank, is that your dad? I see it.
Frank's dead. No, it's not. His is gray.
Man, that's not my dad. As you can see, it's raining super hard. I don't know if you can see it. Like, and it's like rain. It's like okay.
Oh my god, it's raining freaking hard now.
As you can see by the lake, it's raining like crazy, man.
We got trapped in the rain.
All right, where do you guys want to hide? Connor? No, we can't.
We're getting wet.
Guys, this is ridiculous. This is ridiculous.
What's in there? My battery's not.
Hide!
It is freaking
Here we go.
so good.
The bag is safe under my shirt. Guys, Frankie, your phone! I know what to do.
Just put it in the bag. Let's go in the bag. I gotta keep it under my shirt. I don't want to call anybody. I don't want my phone.
Don't worry, guys. My phone. No. I mean, this is psycho. This is cray cray. Okay, this is a really bad video, but it's inside of a bag, which means my phone is okay. So yeah, guys, this is a video. I know it's super blurry, but look at this. Now I can do this. Look, see everything? I know. I can film outside now. Look at this. Since I'm a super smart little kid, I got my
No, no.
All right, guys.